If you faded grass, then you don't have to fade Nodepay. If you fade Nodepay as well, then I think you don't want to make money with crypto. Yes, you can see a lot of people made like thousands of dollars from the grass airdrop. Why? Because they exchange their internet bandwidth for a token, just like what Nodepay is doing now. Nodepay is using your internet bandwidth in exchange for their token. Now, what is Nodepay? Let me quickly take you to their website with this. Okay, so what is Nodepay? Nodepay is a platform for AI training and development. Our mission is to provide an ecosystem for users to own and access AI with real-time data intelligence. So basically, Nodepay is into training of AIs and development, right? So they need a lot of bandwidth to achieve that. That is why they want your bandwidth to achieve their goal, and they are going to give you their token for you to make money with it. That is so simple, right? So how can you join? All you have to do is check the description. You are going to see my referral link. Click on it and you'll be redirected to this page, the registration page. Right now, follow me as I walk you through how you can register with Nodepay. But before that, if you're new to this YouTube channel, please subscribe, give me a like, leave a comment at the comment section. Make sure you follow me on X and also join my Telegram channel. All links are in the description down below. Alright, and please, when you check the first comment, you are going to see my top 15 Telegram crypto projects. Make sure you join all. My best is YesCoin. If you fail, now your own problem. Now, those who want to learn how to create an email server or an SMTP server to send bulk emails, I have a course on Udemy. Make sure you check that course out. There's no time to waste. Now let's get into it. Right, so the first data we will be providing is the email, later the username, password. We confirm our password. If you clicked on my link, you should be seeing my referral code over here. All right, but if you didn't click on my link, I'll leave my referral code at the description. Just copy and paste it at the referral code section over here. Right, so I'm going to enter the data which is needed over here very quickly and get back to you. So I have filled in my information, right? So that is it. So I'm going to click on I have read and agreed to the terms and privacy policy, right? And make sure the Cloudflare is on success. All right, so if it is still loading, you have to wait for it to finish before you click on register. The registration has been successful, but listen, if you are using a mobile phone, you can still farm this airdrop because they have a mobile app. All right, and secondly, you can also use the Kiwi or the Message browser on the mobile phone to farm this airdrop. So if you want me to create a video, all right, on how to use the mobile phone to farm the Nodepay, let me know at the comment section, right? But you can just follow this process on the mobile phone. It's very simple, right? That is all. So I'm going to click on back to login. All right, so now you need to enter your username and password. I saved my login details, that's why it has automatically filled, right? And make sure you click on remember me if you are using your own PC or your mobile phone. If you are using a public PC or public mobile phone, then you don't have to click on that. Why? Because it keeps you logged in into the device forever. You get it, right? Yes, and make sure it is success here on the Cloudflare section, right? The Cloudflare section, right? So now click on access my account. Click on close. So now, how can we farm Nodepay airdrop, right? So all you have to do is under the network connection, you just have to click on connect. All right, so now click on add to Chrome, then click on add extension. All right, so as you can see, Nodepay extension has been added to Chrome, right? So I have to just click on the extension icon, then I have to click on the pin in front of the Nodepay extension, all right, to pin the extension. Then I have to just click on the Nodepay icon, then click on activate. So you just have to click on access my account. All right, so after that you can see that the network has been connected, or the device has been connected. Now when you click on the activate and you find error, all right, all you have to do is re-log in once again, right? So that is how it works, right? So that is it. So as long as you can see connected over here, so that means it has been connected. So you can, when you close the browser and open it, you should be seeing here working fine, right? So that is it. All right, so that is how you can create the account, all right, and how to add the extension. So when you scroll down, you can see we have the daily treasure claim. That is, every day you can claim 100 of the Nodepay points, right? So I'm just going to click on claim. So as you can see, congratulations, you receive 100 Nodepay points, right? So I'm going to click on done. So make sure every day you are able to claim your daily treasure claim, right? So that is it. So you have option to connect our Discord. When you connect your Discord, you're going to get 100 of the Nodepay points. All right, so we're going to talk about that more. Let's go to the referral program section. So that is where you can refer people to earn Nodepay points, right? So when you click on the copy link or Twitter, you can share to Twitter and copy and send to people directly. All right, so the more you invite, the more you earn from the Nodepay. Now let's go to the missions and rewards section. All right, so with the missions and rewards section, that is where you are going to perform certain rewards to earn points, right? So that is it. As you can see, we have already done this treasure claim activity. So the next one is the streak challenge. Okay, so when you get to 7 streak, you can claim 400 points, right? So when you go to 28, you can claim more, right? So that's how it works. So when you connect for 24 hours for the first time, you are going to get 2,400 of the points, right? So that is how it works, right? So that is it. So you just have to allow your device to be on for 24 hours. All right, so that is it. So when you invite one person, you're going to get 100, just like that. Okay, yes. When you scroll to the social engagement mission section, you connect to your Discord, you get 100. You connect to your X, you get 100. You verify your email, you get 100. So I'm going to walk you through this verification process, right? So you just have to click on send verification and click on send email. So I am going to open my Gmail. All right, so this is it. It says no reply, verify your email. So I'm going to click on that. You can see Nodepay. All right, so click on confirm your email. So as you can see, verified. You have successfully verified account. So I'm going to click on login and wait for the verification to be done. Okay, so as you can see, success. So I'm going to click on access my account. So now let's go back to the missions and rewards section. I have something to tell you. Scroll down and we can claim our 100 Nodepay points. So I'm going to click on claim and done. Now since we have been able to verify our email, there is another claim you need to do. All right, so I'm not sure where it is. Okay, so let's go to the earnings section. So it is not here. All right, yes, it's not here. So click on the medal and boost section. All right, so let's scroll down. So you have medals collections over here. Proof of human wood. It is very important you come and claim this medal. You have to come and claim this. Okay, so to claim this medal, you need to verify your email as I've walked you through. Let me take you to my original account. So you can see I have successfully invited one person. So I'm going to claim on claim over here and done. So that is it. So you can perform all these tasks. All right, so yeah, so back to the medal and book section for my original account. All right, so that is it. So you can see the proof of human, I've already collected it. So when I click on the proof of human, you can see that claimed, right? Yes, so it says to earn this medal, you must prove that you're human by completing verification. Ensure you have successfully connected your Twitter, your email, and your Discord account as well. So you need to connect your Twitter and Discord account as well to get this proof of human. All right, so we have the bandwidth provider. You should be on for 100 hours, and I've done that. So I'm going to click on claim. and done. So what I believe is that when you claim a lot of these medals, okay, that will help you to get a lot of the airdrops. All right, so you have to be active. All right, you have to be very serious on claiming your medals. All right, so basically this is how you can participate the Nodepay airdrop. All right, so please subscribe if you like this video, give me a like and leave a comment at the comment section. Don't forget to follow me on X and join my Telegram channel. When you check the first comment, you're going to see my top 15 Telegram crypto projects. Make sure you join all. If you fail the S coin, that's your own problem. Oh, yes. And please, if you want to learn how to create an email server or an SMTP server, I have a course on Udemy. I'll leave the link in the description. Make sure you click on it to join or enroll for that particular course. All right. If you want to send more than 20k emails per day, then the course is for you. All right, so that is all, and let's meet in the next video. And please don't forget, I have my referral link and my referral code in the description. So let's meet in the next video. Goodbye.